Hello, what's up guys? How are you everyone? I hope everybody is well. Today I have one Nissan Altima and today I will show you in this car where is the key receiver unit. When you check with your diagnosis tool you get fault B26FF intelligent tuner communication error. Today I will show you where is the location this intelligent tuner or key receiver what you call. See, this is the car and this type of key. Okay, in passenger side remove this passenger glow box, and inside you can see this type of unit. This is key receiver unit. See, assembly keyless. If it's damaged, is your push start not working properly when you key close to the push switch, then working or not working.